Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Motel 6-Mansfield. Oh, it's a 2-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get good pricing. This Mansfield, Ohio motel features complimentary morning coffee and free Wi-Fi. Mansfield Reformatory, featured in the film Shawshank Redemption, is 3 miles away. A cable TV and private bathroom are included in the rooms at Motel 6-Mansfield. Laundry services are also available on site. El Campestre restaurant is 5 minutes drive from Mansfield's Motel 6. Additional dining options are within walking distance of the motel. Richland Mall Shopping Center is 5 minutes drive. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.